Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering Photoshop editing in just one day. If you're a creative, you know how essential it is to have strong Photoshop skills. Being able to edit your photos like a pro can totally elevate your work and set you apart from others. Whether you're a blogger, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves taking photos, mastering Photoshop can seem intimidating. But trust me, it's worth it. For a lot of users, Photoshop can be super overwhelming. With so many features and tools at your disposal, it's easy to feel like you're in way over your head. I mean, have you ever opened up Photoshop and just stared at the screen, unsure of where to start? You're not alone. The complexity of the software can really hinder your creativity, making it hard to bring your ideas to life. One of the biggest challenges is just knowing where to begin. With so many tools and techniques out there, it's hard to know what's going to give you the best results. And then there's the frustration of trying to use a tool, only to end up with a result that's completely not what you were going for. It's enough to make you want to throw your computer out the window. But here's the thing, once you learn a few key techniques and tools, Photoshop can actually be pretty straightforward. You just need to know what you're doing. And that's where I'm here to help. For example, learning how to use layers effectively can save you so much time and hassle in the long run. And understanding how to use adjustment layers can totally transform your photos. Another game changer is learning how to use masks. Masks allow you to make edits to specific parts of your image without affecting the rest of it. It's a total lifesaver and can help you achieve some really cool effects. So I want to share with you a powerful editing tip that's easy to implement, but can drastically improve the quality of your project. It's all about using the Select and Mask tool to make precise selections. This tool allows you to select a specific part of your image and then mask it so you can make edits to just that area. It's super useful and can save you a ton of time. To use this tool, simply go to the Select menu and choose Select and Mask. From there, you can use the different tools to make your selection. You can use the Quick Selection tool or the Brush tool, depending on what works best for your image. Once you've made your selection, you can adjust the settings to get the perfect result. The Select and Mask tool is really versatile and can be used in a bunch of different situations. For example, you can use it to select a specific object in your image and then move it or resize it. Or you can use it to select a specific area of your image and then apply an effect to just that area. So to recap, we've covered the importance of mastering Photoshop, common challenges users face, and some key techniques and tools that can simplify the editing process. We've also revealed a powerful editing tip that's easy to implement, but can drastically improve the quality of your project. The bottom line is that mastering Photoshop doesn't have to be hard. With the right approach and tools, you can become a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. And if you've struggled with Photoshop in the past or have a favorite tip or trick, leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing even more tips and tricks to help you master Photoshop.